Today I'm showing you how to change out the oil on your Honda CRF450R or 450X. This is pretty simple to do. I know some guys are doing it every few hours, but you need to do it at least every 15 hours. So let's go ahead and get started. To get this done, we need some common hand tools. I've got an 8mm socket, a 10mm Allen, and a torque wrench. Those are the main things that you need to have. Other than that, we've got our Tusk 4-stroke oil change kit. This is just a convenience thing. It comes with the type of oil you need, the oil filter, the O-rings, and the funnel, all in one convenient package. If you need that, click the link in the description below. We're also using contact cleaner, safety glasses, rubber gloves, rags. I've got a measuring cup and a drain pan. And throughout the process, you do want to refer to your model-specific service manual for more information, proper procedures, and specs. First, I'm going to start the bike and let it warm up for about a minute. With that shut off, I'm going to go ahead and remove the skid plate by taking out these two bolts with my 8mm T-handle. Place a drain pan underneath the bike. So right underneath, you can see this drain plug. We're going to use a 10mm Allen on that. But first, I'm going to clean it off and then I'll remove it. Now the oil filter is on the left side of the engine. You're just going to remove the cover by taking these two bolts out with your 8mm socket. Pull that oil filter out and make sure you keep track of the spring behind. From here, I'm going to clean everything up, including the sealing surfaces, and on the oil filter cover and the drain plug, I'm replacing those O-rings with the ones that came in the kit. Now to go together, we've got oil on our O-rings, and I also want to put some oil on this oil filter rubber section right here. I'm going to attach that to the oil filter cap. I've got the spring in the back, and then we'll slide this into place. The cap only goes on one way, and as I'm pressing this in, you can see it's kind of springy. That means the spring is in the correct spot. If it doesn't do that, you know the spring fell out and you've got problems. So we can go ahead and install our bolts from here. We've got the long bolt on the bottom and the short one on top. I'm going to torque these bolts to 7 foot-pounds. I'm going to wipe the sealing surface and reinstall the drain plug. I'm going to torque that to 13 foot-pounds. After that, we can reinstall the skid plate. Now on the right side of the bike, you're going to have this fill cap towards the rear of the engine. I'm going to remove that and clean everything up right there. And then we're going to fill the engine with 1.04 liters of oil. And I am going to measure that out just to make things easy. Now you can reinstall the plug and you want to run the bike for a minute. Now I'm just going to let the bike sit for a few minutes and then double check that oil level. And that's it for changing the oil on your CRF450R and 450X 2021 and newer. If you need the oil change kit or anything else for your bike, click the link in the description below. And if you want to see more helpful content like this, subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.